Sewing machines come with different presser feet for different jobs. The EES 10 comes with 5 different feet. These can be found inside the accessory box. The footmark T is for everyday general sewing. The footmarked A is for satin stitch. This is an example of satin stitch, where threads are packed together tightly to form a design. Presser foot A has space below it to accommodate for these tightly packed threads. I like to use this acrylic foot for teaching as it allows you to see through the foot. It also allows a line to be drawn on it, and this makes for easy teaching. To detach a foot from the machine, a lever behind the presser foot holder is pressed. To attach a different foot, the pin inside the foot needs to line up with the groove at the bottom of the presser foot holder. The two will latch automatically when the presser foot lever is lowered. Never leave a presser foot on top of the feed dogs without any fabric in between, as this will damage the underside of your foot. Use something soft under the presser foot when you put your machine away for the day.